Welcome back to SolidCam Pro. In this exercise we are going to create these steel pipe connector in Autodesk Inventor, and we will create each and every part, and at the end we will create an assembly for this model. And for the dimensions, we have this drawing and we are going to follow this drawing step by step in order to create our model. So as we see, we have this part. All three sides are equal lengths, as we see, 52, 52, and the same for these two sides. And for the square pipe, length 200 and the dimension 40 and 40, and we have the radius of this corner 6 millimeter. And for the hole we have dimension 6 millimeter diameter. So let's start to create our model. Select new project and select sketch. Select one of these planes, select line, let's give a dimension of 52 millimeter, and the same for this side. This one 22 millimeter, and this one 22 millimeter. Perfect. Now finish the sketch. Select extrude command, give a dimension of 22 millimeter. Again select this surface, create new sketch, select this point to this corner. Okay, finish the sketch, extrude, give a dimension of 30 millimeter. All sides must be equal. Perfect. Now select this face and create new sketch. Select line from this point to this point and to this point. Now draw a circle, give a dimension of 6 and the dimension from here to here 6 millimeter, and from here to here 10.8, as we see here on this drawing. Now finish sketch, thickness 2 millimeter inside. Okay, now the same process on this side. Perfect. Now select fillet, and let's give a dimension of 8 millimeter and select this one, and this one. Okay, next select this and this one and this one and give a dimension of 6. Next select this one, and this one, and let's give a dimension of 4. Okay, next step, let's select shell command and select this face, this face, this face, and select this one, and this one, and let's give it a thickness of 2 millimeter. And select this one inside. Okay, again let's select fillet command, give a dimension of 6, and now select this edge and this one. Okay, assign material, steel alloy, and for the color let me select this one. Perfect. Now save this part, let's give it name part 1B. Okay, and now let's create this square pipe, new project, sketch, and let's draw square. Give a dimension of 40, offset 4 millimeter inside, and radius 6 millimeter. Fillet 6 millimeter and select all these corners. Finish sketch. Select extrude command, select this profile and give a dimension of 200. Again assign material, and choose a color from here. Perfect. Now save this part. Let's give a name part 2C. Perfect. And now let's create an assembly. So select new project and select standard IAM. Okay, select part 1B, and let's change visibility from here. Now let's select axis and create an axis between this face and this face, and again select axis, select this face and this face. Perfect. Now let's select the pipe, okay, select rotate, now select constraint, select this face and this face, apply, select this face and this face, again select this one, select this surface and select this one, and give a dimension of 2 mm offset. Perfect. Apply. Now select circular pattern, select this part and the axis. Let's select this axis, 90°, 4 pieces. Okay, again select circular pattern, select all these parts and the axis, select this one. Okay, again select circular pattern, select this part and the axis, this one. Perfect. Again circular pattern, select we'll select select the component, select this one and the axis, select this one, give a number 2. Okay, so next step, let's insert the bolt, and from here select bolt connection and select concentric because we have already created this hole. So select start plane and circular reference, select this, and termination, select this face. And now let's create a profile here. Select this one, add washer, and again select washer. You see we have one washer from this side and one washer from this side. So next select knot, select this one, and now let's create a profile of this fastener. Just select add, give a name M6. OK, apply, and now select this and select this circle and terminations, paste this one. Just select this profile we have created and select set, apply. Again select set, apply. So now our model is finished. I hope you like this video, and for more video and more project in Inventor, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.